slowly, like it knows it all. It sits beside me silent while the shadows fall. And in this fragile hush where I can't run away, I see the girl I was and who I am today. So many borrowed roads I took instead of light, so many empty meanings I was chasing through the night. But even through the fear beneath the frozen sky,